Here's a few hair painting tips. This is my model Hannah, and I am turning her today from brunette to golden blonde using Whittemore House hair paint and 40 volume developer. I start off in the back with Hannah. Her hair is virgin, so I need that to really lighten and get started because of the amount of hair that she has. Although it's thin, it is a lot of hair. Using peaks and valleys keeps me from creating any strong lines. Also, I work all the way to the root so that it can peek out when the top layer of hair falls over it. Some of the very important tips here is to make sure you saturate from mid shaft to ends 100%, even if you have to lift the hair and paint more underneath. Leaving lots of space in between sections is what's going to create that softness from the root to the ends. Keep in mind painting at the root ever so gently and picking up very thin slices. Although it looks like maximum coverage, it will melt into her brown hair, creating a shadow of its own without having to be toned. I move from the back of her hair to the hairline because I also want that to be the brightest part of the whole hair painting. We wrap the ends as it is virgin hair color. Usually virgin hair color ends do not lift as well. So with a little bit of plastic helps give that extra boost. As you can see with the results and without any toning or shadowing, that it's beautiful golden blonde and really brightened up Hannah's skin tone. I hope you like this tutorial. Stay tuned for more.